Good morning, Annie Sullivan All-Stars. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. You had some time to rest, rejuvenate, and connect with friends and family. We know that when we focus on habit 7, sharpen the saw, we take care of ourselves. And I know you remember this, but it's so good to remind ourselves that that is connecting with others, having good conversation, and being kind, and just talking with friends, and reading books, and enjoying time outside, going for a walk. It was so beautiful this weekend, and it's going to be beautiful the next 3 days. So it's really exciting to spend more time outside and to enjoy your friends and family. We are going to continue talking about habit 8, find your voice. And so I just wanted to share with you a little bit that I learned on this Leader in Me website, where it talks about finding your voice. Our human voice is significant because it lies at the intersection of our unique talents, strengths, passions, skills, and our conscience. The concept of find your voice reinforces the discovery of our leadership potential. So it means we really understand ourselves really well, and we figure out what our unique strengths and talents are. The next page, it talks about believing in your potential helps you to achieve your greatest accomplishments. Because if you know you're really good at speaking, then a job where you're going to be speaking a lot is going to be perfect for you. There's this video that talks about Anne Sullivan and Helen Keller, and they talk about how Helen Keller was the teacher who taught Helen Keller at 6 years old. She became deaf and blind from an illness when she was a young child. And when she met Helen Keller, it was absolutely life-changing because she was able to teach Helen how to read, write, and also master speech, which is really difficult for someone who's deaf and blind. So it was incredible. And we know that Helen had an extremely talented gift of teaching, and that's how she was able to help Helen become an amazing student. So there was a famous American writer that said, Anne Sullivan was a miracle worker. So that is so cool. And it's like our school, Annie Sullivan. We're named after Anne Sullivan because of how amazing she did at teaching, and that we want to be an institution where amazing teaching happens and amazing learning happens. Now, here is our ASL skill for the week.
Hello, my name is Khalid, and I wanted to sign coffee.
To sign coffee, we make a fist, we put our other fist on top, and you move it in a circle like you're grinding down the coffee beans. Have fun trying that out.
Okay, so our attendance madness is gonna be like the basketball bracket. So it looks like this, and it's super fancy. So today we are going to be having these teams compete against each other. These classrooms here actually get a bye for today. We tried running a report to find out which class had the very best attendance, and it was very, very difficult, but we're going to figure it out. And so if you are in these classes, you don't have to worry today. That would be 303, 502, 101. I'm sorry, 103. K04, 101, 203, and 202. The other classrooms, you'll be competing against each other. Whoever has the best attendance today will move on to the next competition. And at the end, there will be 2 left on Friday, And then on Friday, whoever has the best attendance, then we'll get some special ice cream treats. Okay, Annie Sullivan All-Stars, it's very important that you're here at school on time every day. Make it a great day. The choice is yours. And at Annie Sullivan, we lead to succeed.